Hi, how's everyone doing today? This isn't something I normally do. Oh, gross. I hit my face in the shower. I got a bump because I bumped it on like some piece of like something. I don't know what it was. But I'm gonna show you guys how I get ringtones on my phone. Yeah. So I have a lot. So this might be long, but I'll list all the ringtones down in the below bar and the website that I got them from, and my phone con, but I'll say that all at the end of the video too. So, first ringtone I have is this one.
Yeah, go ahead and answer your phone if you want to talk to that loser who is obsessed with Farmville. It's all they ever do in their free time. It's all they ever talk about. They think it's so great. And every 15 minutes it's, hold on, I have to check on my pumpkins, or, oh no, my strawberries are dying. I guess when your strawberries are dying, that would be bad. Well, hey, Farmville freak, why don't you move over and get a life? Or if you'll excuse me for a second, I have to take a virtual pee on your virtual buttercups. Or maybe I could visit your virtual farm and make some virtual bacon out of your virtual stupid pigs.
That was my Farmville one. This one I laughed at for a while.
This is your ExIsCallingCrisi ringtone. Please take a moment to remember why you no longer talk to your ex. You have labeled this person as an ex for a reason. X does not mark the spot. X is more like the sign for poison. Think of your ex like a tumor you had recently removed. Would you ever think to yourself, gosh, I sure miss that tumor. Let's put it back in. No, I don't think you would. So why would you answer your phone? To sum it all up, your ex is like a poisonous tumor. Hey, thanks for listening to your ExIsCallingCrisi ringtone.
That's number two. Now they get sort of short. Now they're short, except for one. Yeah. And then this one's probably the longest one that I had. Yeah, that's the longest one I have. And all the birds that were just down on my front lawn, yeah, they went away. This is my next one.
I'm not your daddy, I'm your grandpa. I'm not your daddy, I'm your grandpa. I'm not your daddy, I'm your grandpa. Yo, 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 yo! I'm over here! Yo! Here! I'm here! Yo! Come and get me! I'm over here, man! Yo! Yo! I'm over here!
This one me and my cousin laugh at. It's Beavis and Butthead.
My bunghole, it goes and then sometimes my bunghole goes
I don't even know why I still have that. This is probably my favorite. No, it's probably like one of my top 3 favorites.
What do tigers dream of when they take a little tiger snooze? Do they dream of loving zebras or Halle Berry in her Catwoman suit? Don't you worry, a pretty striped head. We're gonna get you back to Tyson and your cozy tiger bed. And then we're gonna find our best friend Doug, and then we're gonna give him a best friend hug. Doug, Doug, oh, Doug, 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 Doug.
That was probably the longest one I have.
Paging Dr. Faggot! Dr. Faggot!
Next one. Oh, screen went down. That's for my cousin because everyone calls her a squirrel. So, yeah.
Look at that fluffy unicorn. He's so fluffy, I'm gonna die. He's so fluffy. Does this count as annoying? He's so fluffy.
I love that movie. Skype ringtone. This is my ringtone for everyone. Oh. This is, I don't know, I just got it. It's from Just Dance. It goes on.
Your mama's calling back for no real reason but just a chat. She'll waste your minutes talking about the cat.
It's weird. My cat's under my bed as we speak. My next ringtone. A lot of people have this.
Got a secret, can you keep it? Swear this one will say that I'm locking in your pocket, taking this one from the grave. If I show you, then I know you won't tell what I said. These two can keep a secret. There's one of them is dead.
My sister downloaded this one.
Oh, baby, you've been driving me crazy. Can you be my lady?
Sammy Adams. And then this is my last set. I got 1, 2, 3. Oh! No, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 left.
She's got love like whoa. Girl got a love like whoa.
Twilight. Another Twilight. And this one.
7 things I hate about you. 7 things I hate about you. You're fake, you are not real. Only I had something to feel. You are you.
Okay, that's all of them. To avoid any more further questions, I got all these ringtones from phonezoo.com. It only lets you download like 3 free songs on a computer, and then you have to make an account to get them to send to your phone. I've been using it for a while now. It's a good site. I trust because you have to put your phone number in. I trusted it, and I haven't had any issues. No random number calling, so it's safe. And I have a Samsung. Okay. Oh, it's raining. I love the rain. It's Samsung Vibrant Galaxy 3G for T-Mobile. Oh, whoa. Where's the thing? I don't think you can see it. There you go. But, they have for Verizon too. Same phone. Just the camera's weirder. And this doesn't. The downsides of this phone is it doesn't have a flash. And, I don't know if everyone has this issue, but my camera is broken. I want to say it's a defective camera. Every time I turn it on in any application, I've tried resetting my phone and everything, it says camera failed. It'll just stay black like that, and then it'll say camera failed in the little window. There you go. It's like warning camera failed, and I just hit OK and it closes. I've tried going on my video recorder and tried going through Facebook. It doesn't work. So, I'll list all the phones in the link below, but how long is this video? I don't think people are gonna watch it. Oh, it's 10 minutes. Great. I'll just say them real fast. Nope, that's the wrong thing. Okay. First ringtone was Farmville. Second ringtone is ExIsCallingCrisi. Third is Friday the BetterGleevirson. Fourth was the loudest ringtone. 5 is I'm Not Your Daddy I. 6 is Lost Phone Ring. 7 is My Bunghole. 8 is the Hangover Tiger Lullaby. 9 is Paging Dr. Faggot. 10 is I Kicked a Squirrel. 11 is Despicable Me. It's So Fluffy. 11 is Skype ringtone. 12 is Super Mario Brother. 13 is Rasputin Just Dance. 14 is Your Mama's Calling Back. 15 is PrettyLittleLiars. 16 is Sammy Adams Driving Me Crazy. 17 is Sean Kingston featuring Nicki Minaji, Duty Love. 17 is Love Like Woe The Ready Set. 18 We Are Who We Are. 20 Edward Leaves. No, 20. One of them's Metro Station Shake It, but I accidentally hit it. 20 is Edward Leaves. 21 is Metro Station Shake It. 22 is Bella's Lullaby, and 23 is Dave Day 7 Things Parody. Love you guys. No one's gonna watch this. Oh well, I love you all. Stay awesome. Bye.